Hello everyone, and now let's start to open the parcel because I'm so excited to use my new ring light. And actually guys, this ring light is my second ring light because the first one after 3 years it gives up. Anyway guys, I bought this from Shopee and it's really affordable, so I hope the quality was good also. And these are the accessories that include. And this one, I don't know what is it called. And I think it's for the stand. And this one is for the phone holder. And it's adjustable actually. And this one also, I don't know what is the exact name of this, but later I will show you how to assemble the ring light. And these are the accessories that included without this stand. And it has 3 variations of light color. The first one is light, or it's warm light, and then the warm light white, and then the white color.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.